Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2005 Harley-Davidson Electra Glide Classic with 50,040 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control and a multifunction 2-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with Roadsmith TRIKE kit, Stage 1 intake, luggage rack, lower fairings, upper fairing wind deflectors, tall windshield, and windshield pouches. The Electra Glide's brawny power is balanced by its comfort and refinement, showcasing why the Electra Glide has reigned at the top of the Touring class for over 3 decades. Powered by an 88 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Electra Glide puts 67 horsepower and 86 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. In stock form, it weighs in at 848 pounds and has a 27.3 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.